shed. I've managed to clean these forks up, pull them apart, and yeah, what I'm seeing is fairly distressing. Most of this stuff's not going to be reusable. Where do I start? Alright, so the first thing I found was they were actually different lengths. The leg that's pulled apart was actually 10mm longer than the leg that's put together, and that was a full extension, and that I thought was interesting to start with. Rather than a steel spacer, we have these plastic pressure pipe piece has been put in there as a spacer, and they look like valve spring retainers to me, or end caps for a valve spring. They actually fit perfectly in there. So when I actually get the rocker covers off this, I want to have a look at the valve springs and see whether that's actually a valve spring as well. Okay, the next one down the chain is this damper rod. Looks like it's been bottomed out really hard and has been compressed just here. Looks like someone has tried to take that stretch out, but all they've done, I think, is managed to lengthen this rod by about approximately 10mm, and it is also not smooth. It catches on, where are we? Catches on its bearing in there, and it's literally torn that bearing, a bush, a brass bush, and it's literally torn it to pieces. So that's knackered. What else? Bolts are okay. Fair bit of wear on these O-rings, or these circlips, or whatever you like to call them. Operates as a bush and an end stopper on the fork here. Which one is that one down there? That's that one. So that one sits in there. That one slides on there and seats into there. The inner bore on this bore is knackered. It's scored to the high heavens. The inner bore on these down tubes doesn't seem too bad. I might be able to resurrect them. Haven't even had a look at these had the air dampers on them. I don't know whether that was standard. I've never had one of these things before. I've never worked on one before, so they look like they'll be reusable. Obviously this is the fork seal that was in it, and it's fairly obvious to me that it's rancid and stuffed. That's about all of that stuff there. A bit disappointing with the fork tube, but you know, it is a basket case, and what's in there actually look much like what's in that. So I'm going to have to find some new parts for it, or some replacement parts of some description. Okay, catch you later guys, take it easy, don't work too hard in this heat, catch you later.